This is a hole punch made by, let's see, who's making this? Beadbuddy.net. Jewelers Handy Hole Punch. Punch holes in metal 2 to 3 millimeters thick, depending on the metal type. So really thin metals. Let's see, 2 different hole sizes, 1.5 to 2 millimeters. So anyway, I guess this is mostly for brass and copper, I'd assume, metals like that. And it's supposed to be made out of steel. Here's one here. So let's punch a hole in a penny. Let's zoom on this, focus. There we go. Just got these little levers there. Okay, that feels like it went through. Almost no effort on a penny. So now let's try the other hole. You can see the size difference. It's a pretty good hole.